Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I tried to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today, for our 3-minute mini build, we are going to be building some lighting. So I've got this and this, some lighting patterns. And I'm showing how to make these, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with making the upper lights, the tall lights. So we're going to be using one of these tall kind of framework pieces used for construction sites and stuff like that. I've got mine in black, and we're going to get a 4x4 round base plate in light grey, and we're going to stick this right on top like so. It's a bit tricky because it is high, but that's what these kind of floodlights are for, to be nice and high up to light up anything. But we're going to put that aside now because we're going to make the head of our lighting. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in some grabber plates, these 1x1 grabber plates with the grabber sticking out of them in black. And what we're going to do, we've got 4 of these, and we're going to stick 4 of these round yellow translucent studs, and we're going to stick them on top of these like so, and these are going to be our lights. Now we're going to make 4 more different variations with light, just using different kind of grabber plates. I've got a 1x2 with grabber sticking out over here. We're going to get 4 of them, and we're going to stick the same old studs on top of these studs over here. So now we have a total of 8 lights, and we're going to bring in this 8 handle base plate in black as well. I'm using a lot of black for these lights, and we're going to stick these longer ones together like so in a kind of symmetrical pattern like this, in a kind of star, and we're going to stick the other ones in the spaces that we have here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There we go. So now we have our kind of head for our kind of floodlight, and we're just going to stick it on top like this, and now we have some lights facing downwards. Now we're going to make some smaller lights, so we're going to get a round 2x2 brick in this black, and we're going to attach the same kind of 1x2 grabber plates on top like so. For the light, we're going to get a handle base plate, a 1x2 version. We're going to stick a 1x2 translucent yellow base plate underneath, and a grill element on top like this. We're going to snap it over here in this formation, and now we're going to quickly do another one. So round brick, grabber plates, handle piece, base plate, grill on top of that. Stick that over here, bring them all back, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our lighting is complete, and I would advise you to use this for kind of stage lighting, or lighting up some kind of football match, maybe some event. These lights, you can hinge them upwards, or you can hinge them downwards, as well as these lights, you can also hinge them slightly upwards, but mostly they're for looking down on something that needs to be brightly lit. And who can we brightly light? Let's see. We've got Stephanie over here. Yeah, Stephanie over here. She's gonna stand and she's gonna sing la 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 la, and everybody's cheering, and she's well lit because lighting is very important. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!